Odiativwe na kwa chiro makuru Agacencwire amazina Mbabazi Charity kanyine Sande Brian erizoba nebirabirana byo kwikumi 15 eshahane ebiri ezomwebazyo kandi norwa katano reka tukusiye by'ijambo rwa makuru ntujagaruka turi kwisyaho amakuru Agacencwire mbwejire
emitwe y'amakuru ne kushikibwaho
Red Star Wine, the taste that lasts. Nekurusiga Investment Limited kandi neshango maduka gona omwihanga ndikana kusanzu musanzu ibiri mkaga na mkaga notina atalneitano
okusinzira kulanje ezenjawulo enkumulito ze tulina ku Global Paint ye lanji wa Global aletawo enjawulo ku bisenge tuli siringi
St. Peter's Altar Wine ekozirwa mu mizabibu yonka kandi tebekanisibwe kurungi kukozesebwa mu maramizo. St. Peter's Altar Wine nekorwa aba Red Star Wines kandi neshangwa omu maduka gona mwihanga lyona.
Agacencwire kireki President Museveni ariyo mchanga cha Acholi yaraganisaba agago na abimo kurwanisa obushomankuzi.
Army had the capacity to control the cattle rustlers, but they were doing what you call in our language here bango kwon.
Omnyishenjero wigala West Louis Gafa mbwate kama yaremesubwa okwesimba ahabwa meya obwambara city.
Ejo myaka 5 batuzengu rukamba twakuyihamu omuchimpatira nakantu kace munonga.
TV West na Radio West bajire kiganiro n'abarukuranga nabo babasima ahabo kutungura emshubo yabo.
Since the year started, I see a very big change.
emitwe y'amakuru yabane kushikibwaho
Red Star Wine, the taste that lasts. Nekurwa basiga Investment Limited kandi neshango maduka gona omwihanga ndikana kusanzu musanzu ibiri mkaga na mkaga notina atalneitano
okusinzira kulanje ezenjawulo enkumulito ze tulina ku Global Paint ye lanji wa Global aletawo enjawulo ku bisenge tulina Global Silk Vinyl asigibwa munda, Global Weather Coat asigibwa ebweru ne Global Matte owazi siringi.
St. Peter's Altar Wine ekozirwa mu mizabibu yonka kandi tebekanisibwe kurungi kukozesebwa mu maramizo. St. Peter's Altar Wine nekorwa aba Red Star Wines kandi neshangwa omu maduka gona mwihanga lyona.
Mbabazi Charity na Sande Brian agana makuru Agacencwire ombwijire. President Yoweri Museveni yajumirira barukushomankuri hanga barukubuzaho sente ezirukuba zigenderire okutungura ihanga. President ariyo muri Acholi okuronda obushaje kihabwa karura kariyoni kabindabinda okuterwa omwaka gurukwija okukubanza.
President Museveni yabanza no kushaba abantu baburijo kwatanisamo bakarwanisa oburwenguzi barukuratiriza sente zibari kutombyanga kore byentunguka yagira ngo no barabe batira offices zitari zimwe na zimwe okurwanisa obushomanku z'abantu baburijo n'abebembezi binomoga kureba ngo sente zabo tizibwa bari kweyendeza bonka.
I have created agencies, anti-corruption unit of State House, IGG. Those will work. If you get personnel who are committed, they will help. But the real structural anti-corruption mechanism is the LOC system and the public, you the public.
Museveni asima democracy eryo mwihanga n'obugabe bw'abantu ecyari kugira ngo kiresero obusinge n'entunguka.
The democracy is broad-based democracy, the best in the world. Because like in 1962, there were only, I remember 2 women in parliament. Somebody said there were 3, but I don't remember the third one. But even if there were 3 out of 82 members, in fact 90, because the 82, you had another 9 nominated. And I think these 3 women came among the nominated. And yet the population of Uganda is always 50% women. So how can you have 3 women out of 90 people representing 50% of the population? This is the democracy. If anybody wants to learn democracy, come to Uganda.
President yayereko kushasha abwengenderwa ihangera mu buceka mu butine mani ekiri kwabari kuhakanisa government amani kubiha abantu no koreso ururimi okubabaganisam.
Somebody preaches tribalism and he just goes there and then there is a weakness there in the law. But we manage them by correct policies and dedication.
Mukuru w'entebe ya NRM mu district ya Agago Okela Walter Ogwang yagambira President Museveni kubara kuza kumuha karuru abwe byakozera omucanga eki.
We have witnessed a number of things under the 5 years that you led us. And now we are also proud that we still want to give you more 5 years. Muzee, our road has been facing great challenge. And this is because of the environmental, the water, when it rains, definitely all our roads is flooded because of the low land table. And this has been a little bit affecting our roads.
This road will be done. It's already in the program, the road from Gulu, Awere, Konakrak. What I discovered was that the army had the capacity to control the cattle rustlers, but they were doing what you call in our language here, bango kwon.
Okuronda karuru nukugumiza mu ihanga.
That some of the political groups say they will start a war.
Ni kwano gimone karatach tin mi Uganda ni jomone yo wigi pate mono wegenda bicha ko lwenyi Uganda.
If anybody starts a war, you will go to Gehenna.
Ndi Anita Tukunda.
Webere Anita Atkunda abebembezi b'ekigambo kya National Unity Platform bebembire President wabo Robert Kyagulanyi Center muhirizo abasibo mu district ya Kiryandongo na Apacho Matemba Gihanga okushaba abantu bomucanga ekyo okumushajika omukaruko bwa President omwaka ogurikwija oguyabaraganisa okongeza emishara y'abashomesa n'abashaho.
Robert Kyagulanyi Center mo ohendire campaign zo mu Rubunyoro nyemwe bazyo yasimbura mu district ya Masindi arukuza Apak na Kiryandongo okushaba bushagi ahantebe yo bwa President bwa Uganda ahabwa karoro ko mwaka ogurikwija oguyabashagatirwa bahagizebe kandi kuyahiko muri Kigumba yashanga abantu bamurinzire nukwe kuzo muri Kiryandongo. Omwanya ogw'abanyakigombe kya NOP bagambira Kyagulanyi ko hariyo obushoma bw'amataka oburengeserize ombyanga byabo engutombi ezirikwetagwa kukorwaho n'abahingi b'ebikwijo abarikusherwa ahabwo kubura akatare. Kyagulanyi abasima ahabwo kumutangira omubwingi nokwe kubaraganisa kukora hanshonga ezibamugambira.
Kukomboa future yetu. We have a chance to rescue ourselves and we can change that through our vote. I am calling upon you to open your eyes.
Oguyagaruka yabashaba okutora n'abebembezi abine kigenderwa.
This is our time. I am coming to you telling you that we have a chance to start a new Uganda. Uganda ni tajiri, lakini watu wa Uganda ni maskini sana. We must change that.
Kyagulanyi kuyarwa muri Kiryandongo yazo mu district ya Apak kandi okuza kuhikayo yagendera mu Kirgeri.
Sana kwa kunisikiliza. lakini nawaomba push the message.
Ndi Edwin Ram ahabwa TV West Agacencwire.
Edwin, retired Major General Gregory Mugisha omuntu yatandika okushera akaruko gwa president omuchanga ekyatoro eizoba yasiba lyo mu district ya Chegegwa na Chenchojo akandoko abahadzibe bamutorena ku yengutombe.
Retired Major General Muchamuntu ashagatirwa ab'ekibiina kya anti n'abandi banyakibiina batandika okushera akaruro mu bicweka bya Toro kandi batandikira mu town council ya Hapuyu mu district ya Chenjojo. Abahadzibe bamwakira kandi bamushaba kubakora enguto no kurwanisa obushuma oburengeserizo mu kyanga kyabo. Abatura bagambira Major General Muchamuntu ngo abashuma babamazireho businge kandi kuba ari kubatwara polisi bagishashura sente barekura. Muntu yarwa Hapuyo yayongera mu town council ya Chegego kandi abashubuzi bamugambira embereze kubateganisa omukushubura kwabo.
Kwatanise nabo abahagire General Museveni kumara ubwire burenga ubwire bukire ubukumanya ngo General Museveni biyakoze ibyo atakakoze takibibasa ngwe bare ntitwaraganira ngo tumuhumuje kurunja mukahuraka azomka ahumure niyangana rero humure hazemo umuntu musya urayo mbe chapter Asia.
Abatura bashaba mu Muchamuntu okora nshonga by'amagarere kusabazo mu cyangeki nabwo nyuma muntu yongera mu town council ya Kakabara kandi aboko bamugambira nako yaba boda bari kurabamo abari kwioptiza bezi barugura za loan uko kubaraganisa nkwarazo mu bwebembezi company zona naje kuzitebe kanisa.
Ezani na kagari tizire mutanzi ndakutwa uroko umunda uzakirika Sande nukuchera ambao kwanye ubi proroje zibyo kuri atuje umucware kagadi kakomero bine okurra kwamani abo mataka akaba kabere amataka skimu hato muntu naija kureche
okuyahendera mu district ya Chegegwa ndi Anita Tukunda.
Amakuru kurgo muri Mbara umunyeshenjero wishaza Erigara Wester Louis gafa mwatekama no kutegereza endije myaka 5 okugaruka mbyo butegeche bwa nyuma yakachiko ka Electoral Commission okushaza ko esimba kwe ahantebe yo bwa meya wa Mbara City echinjije bwa nyuma yo kuremerwa kwehwezaho okwayina maka muri Mbara City ekiri kuretera okwehanditsa kwesimba bwa meya kwashazwamo.
Ebaruhe y'akaciko ka Electoral Commission kashobiza mu kirere cyabo shesheri izoba aha mikoro yaza Kanyabwenje neyoreko kushazamo ko munyishengero wigara West Louis gafa mugatekamwa otarukwikiriza bwa kwesimba ahantebe yo bwa meya bwa Mbara City nobwa ababire yahereze kwehandikisa bwa nyuma y'ebaruheje kushohora mugateka meri izoba yayetora ikiko rw'abanyamakuru aho yayoreka kwetongwita arukoreka ngo akaciko kamwihira mu karuraka ahabwe nshonge zitari mu muhoho
icyo kubanza cyabona bije turebe papure kuza social media konka byamara kuzaho bitime muhoho icyo ngere kuvuranyiza bero yakubariyo yo muntu come and put a disclaimer nibargaye mangu bagira ngo fake achandike kurugira cyandike cyashobora kimeki cyandiko cya Electoral Commission ari bwa sesera tinkarebere ebara yona eko Electoral Commission eko yakana ikibaro icyo byose
ogunagira ngo akitwa mukaciko ahabere byo kwezi kwikome ko mwakogo okwehozaho ngo ayoreke namakage ahugaro mu rembo rwa Mbarara eki yakozere bitahabwa abantu bamwe mu government abatari kumwendeza bakorangine nakaciko okuretera yashazabwamo
nabagahona uragabire rwo mukordo abamwa ba commissioners bari kugira ngo esimu zikababere simu batera esimu bateka pressure rukamba mu mwihemu no hakubataruho enshonga yo kumwihamo kuye nayenda azo mu koti ahababe ku kito kumwenja mu aba bantu abakitandikire twakonyenda
kuyabuzubwa obanazo mukoti okwakanisha myakachiko kebyo bururu yatugira nkote nazo tizacine buringaniza
basebona banyabo ngenda kwebaza abahagizi baje kandi mbagambira ngukamba kuza mukoti abo kubanyine yo kushobora nazo mukoti naza kweterera induru konkati kuza mukoti yabakama arya rengo ryo muramuzo mukuru justice yabakama bandi babasa kukompromisinga n'utugoye no kumanya koyi hatungambera kote y'indaze kuzamu omuramuzi arumu
Honorable Mugatekamwa yatugira ngo tuwo kubanza okurwanisa bwo muri ngogo ngo bite chumwe gise kandi hati yaza kwetebekanisa zenchero eyo mwaka gw'2031
emyaka 5 n'ikintu cy'umunonga bano ndakumanya ngo emyezi n'irukanga upangisenjo koko wagizamu ohura landlord nati yakodi kwezi kwa nangu kalanda nako bari namuna tukahuye kandi kuma kabiri kwa bari namuna nabocho eje myaka 5 ibakizengu rukamba twakuyiham kubikipatira bakankache minonga neza kwa nangwa bampurre kuchiro kuba kumpurra ejesha ina bampurra ntebeji bampurra ndijo bampurra ndijo kandi baza kumpurra abo kuba bongire kunyiza abahagize ba Rukamba
Mugatekamwa birahereza myaka ikoma mu ishengero rya Uganda aho yajoyikira abantu bishaza rya Kasambya omuri mubende hagati ya 2021 kandi omukarura kahererukire akesimbo muri Gara West aho yasingira karuru kandi hamurundo ahabwa karuru kumwaka 2026 abira yetebekanise kwesimba ahantebe yo bwame ya bw'orembo rwa Mbarara City ebyadema nde Edwin Ram ahabwa TV West Agacencwire
webari Ram Edwin urukura hisongore cha Vision Group Don Wanyama yagira ikiganiro n'abarukurangana TV West kandi yabasima na Radio West kandi yabasima buhazi no kubakora aho kubanza umucanga abarukurangane mukura yombi basima habo buhereza Radio West na TV West barukubaha okwikahihi n'abakastoma babo
abarukuranga emishuburo yabo ha TV West hamwe na Radio West rizoba bagiraho ikiganiro narukurira company ya Vision Group n'abanyamyoga bandi okuruga omubwebembezi bwa Radio West hamwe na TV West.
For the business we do together and so we will allow you to say a word or two about our services so that we plan the future together and in the interest of the business.
Since the year started, I see a very, very big change in as far as our customer call center is concerned. We are receiving so many callers.
We are wanting to associate ourselves with the Vision Group. We have been working with the Vision and the team, the Innocent, with the thank you very much.
Omukoro gwakorwa Adit Mall kandi arukurira ebyobushubuzi yo Vision Group Dorine tukahirwa yasima abarukurangana TV West H2ndwire abo kubanza omuri burengero izoba
on your laptop, so it's content you can enjoy everywhere and everywhere you go. TV West leads with 21.5, meaning the chances that your adverts are going to be seen if they are placed on TV West are much higher than if you have to use several platforms and effective.
The guidance, where should I invest more money? Which time, it's called prime time. Prime time, where should I put much of my finances to do marketing?
Provide more time where you can come to the TV to have with your targeted customers. Previously, we had very limited time for that.
Abija umukiganiro eki bashaba obwebembezi bwa Vision Group ogaruraho urupapuro rw'urumuri kandi umukuru wa Vision Group yashobora ahashongeje
sebo gana CEO ati wewe unaelewa na nimshaba kwa hiyo our newspaper and the president gave the green light. He wrote personally to the Minister of Information and ICT, directing that the government supports the production of newspapers. We went through a long process, Committee of ICT to Committee of Budget, and the man was approved.
And professionalism is within you, and make sure continue doing.
Abashubuzi umurimbarara na heri yayo yona basima Vision Group ahabwo kutungura emishuburo yabo kandi aho noho abanyakajo sako barongora mukuru wa Vision Group nko wa TV West hamwe na Radio West okubahereza kurungi
but I've never been gifted like this.
Michael Tumachire awa TV West Agacencwire
Babare Michael Tumachire reka tumuriho ntugaruka naganda makuru kutaga TV West
agarukurataho nagakushibwaho
Move nerwo mite nebjumana oyizeze rukugonshaka okutanga indwara zombiri ngo biherere bwuna amazombane zibabo takukundeka mwana wanje hataba kuguba move bakabito mushipa kimwe
mushanga sako limite ni dajer kurunya mufumura shema yagaruka yakweterekera cya Christmas umwaka wo ba member nabo kwenda kuba ba member mwena ekitereje cyatandikire ni 12 byo kwikumira umwaka
agarukurataho Minister Samayanja yagara abantu abarukurenga 20 omataka gabo agababire bababinjiremo
Nagamba to be arrested and that people should go back to their land.
agarukurataho gabanaga kushibwaho
Move nerwo mite nebjumana oyizeze rukugonshaka okutanga indwara zombiri ngo biherere ebuguna amazombane zibabo takukundeka mwana wanje hataba kuguba move bakabito mushipa kimwe
mushanga sako limite ni dajer kurunya mufumura shema yagaruka yakuretera kitereje cya Christmas umwaka wo ba member nabo kwenda kuba member mwena ekitereje cyatandikire ni 12 byo kwikumira umwaka omataka
Are you in panic? Or you're afraid to make a move? Don't worry. With Kazire Red Tonic, you will put her in red moments. And with Kazire Power Tonic, you have your game powered. Enjoy Kazire Red Tonic and Kazire Power Tonic, the natural organic products. Kazire Power Tonic, made from nettle tea, ginger, grapes, and honey.
Kazire Red Tonic, made from watermelon, pumpkin, grapes, and honey.
Power your game and ignite her happiness.
mushanga sako limite ni dajer kurunya mufumura shema yagaruka yakweterekera cya Christmas umwaka wo ba member nabo kwenda kuba ba member mwena ekitereje cyatandikire ni 12 byo kwikumira umwaka omatajaga Chigarama brand, Wentuha brand, Shuku brand, Burere branch, St. Kagwa brand, Kaboye brand, Chanjenyi brand, Utare branch, Marinde brand, Mbarasite brand, hamwe n'itaje ryabwizwera Erukushangwa Mbarara district. Ebyo kusingura vermente, embuzi, enkoko, hamwe n'ibindi bingi terabagisha kumendiri. Chenda nemwe notita shanje na mwe. Nitubendeza Christmas enungi hamwe no mwaka musya ogw'enkumi 26 ogw'entunguka.
Skylight Hotel ereza uheza kwa muri Mbarara City ayi bari kuhereza breakfast ngakatogo omelette Rolex shumbusha chapati chai yamate eyo mukaru akatunda ko murembe nebindi
bineyo na chamushanere kutandika shamu kagazi hangwe nibateke ngoko embuzi ecenyanja muchemo obushaza akaru ekitoche echozi emondi greens obutura shwiga kandi cyo kunywa nikigenderaho.
Hey, manya bino burara burunje bw'umurembe habe nunji kandi warara Skylight Hotel Mbarara City breakfast ne yabusha bine rooms eziri self contained DSTV security je kandi parking ne yemarira
bine bara yo murembe pool table sauna na steam bath hamwe na conference hall.
Skylight Hotel neshangwa omuri Mbarara City wahingura kace aha Vision Empire orguto rwatora katete ijuka ngo no director ba Skylight Hotel rukunjiri ebirukiraho tera no tumushanju mwenda 18 58 38 ninga no tumushanju no tumukaga 36
kuko bujwire cyo kwitaga no gamba aba original garments bari sirimpinduko mu kujwara nibajwe kabashija nabojo hamwe n'abana na perfume zone bine suits z'umurembe ezimbaga eza office amasata gagumire na t-shirts empare za office hamwe na za casual wear denim jeans hamwe na shirts jumpers na sweaters z'umurembe bine na shorts hamwe na belts nunji abarakwenda vests boxers hamwe na socks original Kiraba original garments abashija enkito zanye nunji eziri original eza office sneakers hamwe na flats original garments mbashangwa hala Grand Mall Mbarara City a High Street amarugo kubanza room namba ya kana note mshanju 82 emwe mshanju mukaga note na note mshanju note emwe mshanju mukaga note
Trading Company Limited yakula textile cha Bengo Beverage 2025. Echirukuiza kwata hasnehigu okubali biro bishatu ebikumi na kwezi chenjo jomu chai 15 byokwezi 11 chenge gomu chai 16 byokwezi 11 mubendo mu chai itizate utaferwe beshongozi bebembirwe David Utalo MCs DJs oftaha kandi no tunjire ya Bengo ni drink utaferwa kwangura ibihembo nga solar panels ebitereche bya Christmas amasimu t-shirts engofira Bengo ni drink MT aprons extera mo Bengo ni fermented beverage
2025
big thing about the MTN super wali yakapya musite wali yakapya MTN kabode super mustairo mpya then you kabode smartphone yakapya MTN kabode super mustairo then you kabode smartphone yakapya
letunjire kabode super esimu ya smartphone lero tungeza GBs 16 zabusha tandikana deposit yembari nani chweka lezingo shashura mpora mu chweka buri zoba urukushashura sente zyanzi ya shiringi 10 no basa kushashura buri wiki nari buri kwezi yariwe turhamwe amashemero gito tugine chizivira amateka n'ubushonshoreche nibukuratirwa MTN Neighborhood Communications Commission.
Kati bashura ba Ale Interiors and Designing Hardware. Abantu bakafuru ba interior designing omuruburenge rw'izoba. Orino yombeka ninga no hundiza makagawe hoteli amashomero y'ingashi business yawe. Staya yero yetungira amatara ga chandelier. Agarika wa okashangura uburaya. Sink zo murembe, tiles za burishika, wallpapers, za toilet sheets, dressing tables na millers, shower mixers. Jacuzzi zo murembe, za curtain, water heaters, tap mixers, door locks. Carpets n'ibindi kandi baguza kamwe hamwe na nokushubura nibashanga muri Mbarara City akikinya Bongo Street hii na gate ya Baspaka aho zirutanya esubu no tumshanju 2 anani 2 abuna mushanju chenda nisha
Christmas age bunyaruguru development sako yakuretera cyane nyamurungi ayibuka barisha kwangura banyuma yo kupura no savinga emyeze 3 kuruga kibanzo ku 10 kutabira na bishatu byo ku 12 1225 otihireyo rero kirakomja gokutaho mukazano ko kuhangura ebirabonye mwinji wasavinga miliyoni 2 neshweka nemegabo miliyoni 2 neshweka notungo mcha gokuhangure wasavinga mitwara 5 nemegabo mitwara 5 notungo mcha gokuhangura wasavinga mitwara 2 nemegabo mitwara 2 notungo mcha gokuhangura shukari omucheri emigas nebi Nubaharon za boda boda, dairy, school fees, agriculture, emergency, home improvement, water harvest, kamasho loans nini, nubashangwanya kasharu, bunyagura head office, kandi bine branch chambra, chitakwenda, ibanda kakongo, kasese katungu.
Ebiro bikurebi, shemerwa n'abanyamukago, muri kubagana cyo kunywa cha Red Star Wine. Red Star Wine ni yawe n'umukungu wawe, iwe n'abanywana bawe, iwe neka yawe hakihuro. Red Star Wine, the taste that lasts. Nekurwa basiga Investment Limited kandi neshango maduka gona omwihanga. Tera noti musanzu ibiri mukaga na mukaga notina atani 5.
Hayes Recruitment Experts for safe jobs abroad. Ntumanyisa bahumwire bona ba pensioners, senior citizens, civil servants, teachers, policemen, army officers n'abazire mwena abo twatwarira abana banyu aheru okwijambuzo mu gukubakora abajecerwa n'ingashi agents mu biceka byanyu. Ntwije ko nitubaha emishara na allowances bwa nyuma yo kuhamibwa abibanda ishongoro kamwenje buheju kashari kazo n'imyanya baherire tubugane acayi ibanda urwa mukaga 25 byo kwezo kwikumoko abantungamo rukungiri kabare kanungu soro mwija cayi rubare arugo kubanza 25 byo kwezoku abisingiro rugaga mwizi bukanga twishanje ari isingiro district headquarters arugwa kabiri 28 byo kwezoku abagureta bushenyi yona mitoma shema rubirizi twishanje ari bushenyi district headquarters arugwa gatatu 29 byo kwezoku abakasese footpoto chenjojo kibare masindi kagadi mwije acayi buhinga footpoto arugwa kana 30 byo kwezoku abagureta mbarara n'abandi abakoba batabasize okutushanga mwije acayi kaceka arugwa gatanu 31 byo kwezoku ningacanje aha office zeitu omuchombe ko echa Amazon mbarara opposite na Stanbic Bank amazoba agandi gone esimu not mushanju ina not emwe not ninga not mushanju ina 5
manager ogito wagito ko kama tumuchidara kabataka jiremu MC takize DJ atuna bana wenge byoma tugumisa sankibiri
bantumare katurgo muzana tugume twatesha twagamba shamushanju zibe shamushanju tikizana ngu okusharake ni shamushanju nizeze nyine byo ni sharakeki tukaza kunyumbo
na wampenzi yona nesente konga tanywire mbogo dushekere tuteganisa wenga ngende mbogo oyine mbogo kanaba murugi ayibambe nekorera ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshara zanje.
Korkayo Kahumuro Minister mwezi w'ebyitaka Dr. Sam Mayanja yagarra abantu abarukurengo mu 2000 baja ebyo musirikare wa UPDF yabiri ababinjemo mu Gobra Kapapio district ya Hoima.
Abantu barukurenga 2000 bakombeka obusisiro mu rwake North umugombora ya Kapapio district ya Hoima bwanyuma y'umusirikare wa UPDF okuba bingo mu mataka gabo agarukora gahate ngoreka ngo minister wihanga habashonga z'amataka Dr. Sam Mayanja norukutwara mahega field artillery Major General Daniel Kakono babahamize ngutaruho umusirikare wena urukuza kubateganisa n'ikigambwa ngo abantu aba bakaba babingerwa Brigadier General Peter Nabasa nabatahi babara mu Captain Rogers Karamaji Lieutenant Kandure na Private Freedom umwaka w'2023 enyuma ho Brigadier General Nabasa akagambira Minister nkuko yapangise itakere ryasiko ya mayuri 5 okuruga harimo zisasi mu 2018 bahabintu bya family y'umugenzi byangiro wabira mu kama w'icyapa
and they always call one of the brother adulewa nyinga shimnyinga tshele Zaire maninga kimonza kabuta Zaire kabuta something like that maninga Zaire kabuta so and also sodo manke koja yote majolongo sodo so they created us we feel what to do esa babakire ndicho bibidele kwende kwa leo babakire tena kuchimuchona byango pombe zao wakawe jabo bakire mukazi n'abantu nyekiro babatwara banaga umupolisi tubire bende bibere hito oya kwete denale kune ekiro bakire muga ndahura gipisi na gipisi bakaterezaho kuri bakoraga munonga kurota batereka zaforo Mwe mfete yao nyuma zetu amurekera ngo bajya gupitsira ibintu byabo afano ya noizera neuri aradi soshkira mbona hatabo bantu bateye ushobora kuba tugarajya mwanamo bakatemetezamo
Minisita Mayanja ahumuriza abatura kandi yabahameza ngo utinurari mu itaka ryabo
mu koti ya museo na ye mudeyo mu nyumba za mwetu bakaza ate erandagira ngo benaragira ruri
abantu aba batwira mu mberambi kandi minisita yashaba abo bona abarukwebasa okubakwatiraho
senga tukubira government department so abantu bona abarungi bajye bayamba batwara
Major General Daniel Kakono yabasha gutatwara amateko mu ngaro bari kugaruka mbebanja
cyembasaba kirekimu kimba bito kwa implementation temukora akavuyo ngabari beka kebakora kurutimka bikema cyakimukora abantu abamenya amateka twina amateka agaragira cyekibera atokuza abantu cyabega bino kubera
hona nabwe Minisita Mayanja yaragira ngo brigade ya General Peter nabasa n'abatahibe bakwatwe
esebo general winja poide abantu banoga bitwara bamajya bari muno baba majyeke nyini support security abaine mundu abaine usare saba bo n'abadisami
abatura babiri babengerwe baragombya bya Waki North Kapap Central Waki South rungana Kiriatete umugombora ya Kapapi mu district ya Hoima gashaka Ambrose n'wagaba Katoto
webale Ambrose n'wagaba Katoto umuhezi wa mukuru w'ihanga retired Major Jessica Alupo yashaba kuba matendekero aharengo rwahiguru kwemeza kucondoza na science yabwambara mukorogo kujeka beje rukomero kagana kaga ahari Bishop Stewart University Elizoba
abantu 10 nibo bahendere mishomo yaba hari Bishop Stewart University kandi umukorogo kubajweka gwayebembera umuhezi wa mukuru w'ihanga retired Major Jessica Alupo owashaba bakuru bamatendekera harengo rwahiguru okwebembezo kucondoza science hamwe na teknolojia.
The journey which you have started today is of great importance to the growth of our nation and the development of your families.
I want to begin by congratulating each one of you for reaching this remarkable point. You have demonstrated resilience and dedication, and we are immensely proud of what you have accomplished.
Ogona yashaba beja baheze mishomo yabo kutandikira habinte buri kucira yo kwetengo mbyanga byabo HR kugira ngo ikintu kumara kwibura ry'emirimo.
You should continuously reinvent yourselves to remain relevant by focusing on the needs of the people. You are encouraged to utilize the available opportunities and use your skills acquired to cause transformation.
This is not only a day of accomplishment, but a call to responsibility. Education gives you the power to transform your communities, go out with a good name, let your integrity, humility, excellence speak louder. Consider starting your own business or social enterprise. You can start small, and then you can grow.
Twagamba hona bamwe baheze mishomo yabo kandi ne batugambera.
Very grateful to God and the friends, relatives, and my parents and the guardians.
Akora yange yakabiri mukureba home ya science mukureba hempinda hinduka yobwire
niyo
mathematics agriculture kandi natunga degree ubu naheza kutunga abana babira binkweza batungeza degree
bere nashemerwa munonga abo kuzwara degree yanje ya kabiri ya Master of Science in Climate Change and Food Security.
Nkanye n'obundande muto nyino koreka abandi ekyakashatu twiro mu cyaro nkani nyenda ngunyore cy'abantu ngo noryo mu cyaro weekend kwe kwikana basa kugenda zishomero ashome agari cyatunge abenkaba batura ishomero full time
ogwa abaguryo murundo gwabera nagumwe Bishop Stewart University ekujwe kabeji ahabwa TV West in the era atiza
okwenderaho kwandika bakayahindura hentebe z'abanyeshenjero mu district ya Mtoma kwendire kurunji kandi abantu babiri nibo behandikise abahandikirwe bashabirwa kuratira amateka okwetantara okushazamu okwesimba kwabo
abehandikise ham Captain Donozie Mugabe Kahondor MP wa Rinda South mu district ya Mtoma kandi yorekere bitaragenze ryo mu karuka NRM
nekindi kubasaba nimbasaba kutwatansiza hamwe twetantare okwebaganisamu na munonga omumadini omunganda nangwano byakube bina byobutegeki nyenda kugambira ngutaro kibina cyo butegeki ekiri kwiza kuretera entunguko wawiwe nkomuntu so mureke twena twegiti nabawe intekateka yawe n'imikorere yawe
nkahato kunta kagireyo immediate ndo bingiro ruguto rwa Kabwohe Kabohe Mutara Rukungiri hati na greda za Kirekabera so na nebindi kandi no kureba mutwayongera movement kugiteka mamani karondera abafraga bearers bona karuru
abandi bahandikirwe harimo umukozi wa speaker natwunzira Robert Mbine ku rugaruhinda kandi bashabira batezi bakaruru Oktora nabebembezi abarabashyeho buhereza
kandi sima nawe ubona bansayiningire kugira ngo base kweyandikise riso ni sima bona kandi sima nabebembezi bitwa butwire nabo aba Mtoma ka district kana Ruhinda constituency yinkuza kwesimbamo beba bakoze ungahire bitabwire ikikundetera naye simba na munonga ninyenda wata anyeto baskiringa bakagere bakora abemezi binje batugambira ngo baturetira amashanyarazi baturetera misi baturetera bindi konka amashanyarazi agutuniga korese bindi
mu manifestage president nkagamba nawe namwerekeza ubugito ati urubundo rwo gatezinda ijo kakartoche ukapata bitereko ukaragara kanyabwango ukapata cyapa ukashumuka shenshero ukagaruka ukashumira ukashumanya byondo ukapata ndurumo ukapata sizi ukazo mu paka starting arutiro mu manifesto ye president
orukure byo Burundi district ya Mtoma ahananziriza behanditse ko tantara kwenda amateka enshonge yakubasa kurga mu kushazibwa mu kwesimba kwabo
tuzakushitama nabo turebe ko umwana mu ruga umuruhinde hagati muri abantu kabana no hora barakatenga ndijo kaza kashenshero ndijo kaza Mtoma town council ndijo kaza kashenshero town council kugira ngo abantu abo tubagira ubu batomerana karekera n'abakizo Burundi okutomerana hakabarugamo no kugamba kuri icyo tuza kukikorana bakandetsi kandi urukubasa kuba taruhora yohereza agent we banyuma na program
amakuru agashaka Ben Muhozo muri Mtoma
Ben Muhozo reka tumere tugaruka nagandi
katochi yeno muzika yo katochi keya mutindo okurugerizo babantu banje tibaregaruka kugire nakwa mutima byaguma binamashemererwa ahubwo ko natongoze cyo kubasya ecyakatochi mugume munywecho katochi yeno muzika yo katochi keya mutindo katochi yeno chama chayo muhuje katochi yeya mutindo katochi alcoholic drink yenuzire kandi tegureta hangover ne kugwa bakabiri food
Foods and Beverages Company Limited. Otaka ikize emyaka 18 otanywa
Wanyataka imichamia kama horo wa complete medical clinic kazo nyenda kusima ubuheza bwa Fresh Solar Uganda ite tukuzatanga kakoza Fresh Solar Uganda kagira challenge nyingi ha amashanyarazi usanga amashanyarazi mu Uganda Isebyo Soni chabangu ndiye mugumizemo ohereza mutereze
mweniwe wa saluni abamashomero abamaduka abazafamu n'abatunzi b'enkoko banyina maka abamabara na za hoteli tungasora ya fresi rero kora magoba izuka muri bagikushumikira bagikanike kandi bagaruza mekiri kusiskara aho gabusha free ebiro kuchira hotela not munana not hasha tuna mukaga hatano na mshaju ngaga ni itano eyabusha
Musei kwa badomu rwa katoli ku ndongozi nabyo kanukado vera chauda drink kino kigaji kyaffe kyennyini kakindi katyebule okolula kulula okokyonguka kwata kano Musei kano bakayita batya pineapple soda drink kakamudwa munanasi bojo mutobe mu bya bojo tugende tulabe kakiga bangambye omubiri munafunafu kakiga talina maanyi kakiga bangambye tolina maanyi ye naye nenfuna ow'amaanyi tamira ku soda drink n'abawala nabo banywa obutamu
Mwenishomero eriyuko omwana wawe intandikiro nungi Claire Junior School nicyo kigarukwamu nirishangwa karujembe ngara kilomitisha tuwarugari mbara kabare highway ruti mbarara city Claire Junior School niriyo rishemerera omwana wawe yine cyone kiri kwetengwa utibirwe main hall yo mutano library y'ibitabo na classes nyamurungi ebyemizano twine bikwato by'umurembe icyayi cya basketball n'cyatena abashomesa n'abahangu abeyireyo omwana wawe ubwegese bwo mutindo twinone bindi ngo koga netball hamwe n'umupira gw'ebigere ali Claire Junior School nitwikiriza ngo buri mwana ashemerere kugira obutanje bulungi ukandisa beji baby class ukika P7 kugenda omisho omudena boarding twinire n'entambura eyabeji ebyo kurya nibya balanced diet tera not umushanje 82 hatano 2 not umushanje
What is it? Why are you giving me this milk? Have you given me all your money? Can't you give me something better than this?
Better than what? Is it a illegal tender for Bank of Uganda?
I don't need these coins. Give me my money.
Then I don't have
I said give me my money. Give me
Young
my money.
lady,
What is
young
it?
lady.
What is it?
Don't you know that it is wrong to reject a national currency of any denomination? You should respect it and know that all money has value.
Bank of Uganda issues coins in the denominations of Uganda shillings 1, 2, 5, 10, 50, 100, 200, 500 and 1000. They are all legal tender in Uganda and should be accepted for all transactions. Money is precious. Handle with respect. This message is brought to you by Bank of Uganda.
Obwengula obulabika obulungi okutuukira ddala ku ttaka erya langi eya kitaka. Langi zino tuzirabira ne ku bisenge, ku motoka ne mu bunyonyi, kw'ossa ne mu bisolo eby'enjawulo. Langi eno erungi ya buli kimu. Langi bwebulamu.
Okusinziira ku langi ez'enjawulo enkomerero tulina ku Global Paint ye langi wa Global aleetawo enjawulo ku bisenge. Tulina Global Silk Vinyl asiigibwa munda, Global Weather Coat asiigibwa ebweru ne Global Matte owazisiringi. Weefunire langi ya Global ku hardware yonna ekuli okumpi. Global Paint, a reliable product.
nitwakira omuri rwa Mbara Suits omwanya gw'omugwaje n'omuteeka omuri Mbara City ati twigwireho conference hall ey'omutindo gw'ahaiguru eine eby'okweshinisa omu nkiiko nka projectors n'okurira ekitongore n'omwanya gw'okukoreramu za seminar board meetings n'ebindi. Omwanya ni rwa Mbara Suites Conference Center. Twine ebishengye by'okuraramu eby'omutindo gw'ahaiguru munonga single, double hamwe na executive suites, ebara y'omutindo, restaurant n'abashefu barungi munonga. Nitushangwa Aripoti 14 Mosque Road mushanju noti 3 5 nshanju na mukaga 48 ninga noti mushanju 5 noti 1 3 nshanju 4 tuntumura kabozo tuntumure stress multivitamin drink potassium y'amagarama menshi yama ubi bemisi cyane kandi mashini hamwe n'abakazi n'indi jumwe gashoka ataka multivitamin drink utuntuma tubaro na stress echo kunywa chakaboz multivitamin drink nichikorwa bakaboz health products limited chamibwe UNBS kandi churuhombe mu mililiters magana 20 omuduka supermarkets hamwe n'imotoka z'abakaboz okwetorora ihanga ryona okushobora no kumenya kucaho 0 15 0
Olino mutwogoluma emimire ejiruma ebinywa amannyo obw'omusujja waliwo Crema Plus wamanyi ku bulumi n'okuyamba ku mbuto eziruma asangibwa mu maduuka agatunda eddagala wonna mu ggwanga. Crema Plus takkirizibwa baana abali wansi w'emyaka 12 obulumi bweyongera genda laba omusawo.
Iwotwire n'oteganisibwa abashuma ningo tari kumanya ebiri kufa muka yawe waba otariho home scan bine za kamera zo mu maju ezo mu banka kamera ziri kukozesa sola kamera z'ahanguto obwoma bwa internet ebyoma byo kubara sente za radio call amasima g'ameza ago mu office na hotels obwoma buri kuratiriza ekiruka cyawe kacaba kibwe okwenda ngo manya y'icyatora ka ninga border tracking system aramuzo mu maju obwoma bw'ahanyigi obwo kuteka mechi access control and attendance machine hamwe n'ebindi byona ebyo rukwetenga ahabwa security yawe neka yawe narishi business yawe emihendo n'imirungi ebiri kukiraho bashanje aharabajwe kizimbe cyabire cyo West aha high street ninga tera noti 32 15 Nina anana mwenda ninga not inamunanitano ananina ananemwe not mushanju
norondo umwanya aho bugwaje buri kubugabugana umutindo twakwakira ahari The Arena Villas and Hotel kimererwa ubwo mutindo gwa higuru ubwo buraro umwanya guri kuretera wahurira nkoryo muka twine restaurant y'umutindo kandi nitwara coffee y'umurembe hamwe na pizza ako kunywa karungi abara y'umutindo ubwo uri kura ubuhumuro burungi ubwo takarebaga parking nemarira kandi rinze rweje hariho na wifi aho kuba ubusinje bwawe ni kikuru hari The Arena Villas and Hotel twine gardens z'umutindo The Arena Villas and Hotel no burura kuri mukabuzima ni cyangwa enyuma ya Shell Makinke arugudo rwa Masaka gamba nitwe ari noti 3 10 25 noti 2 noti chenda nina chinana neibiri abiri neitano.
At Avance International University, we offer various courses in business, education, humanity and social sciences, information technology, journalism, nursing and midwifery, plus complementary and alternative medicine. The school is equipped with a well-stocked library, computer lab and different science laboratories for research and experiments. We offer full and half bursaries for students who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Enroll now for your degree, diploma or certificate studies. Contact or WhatsApp us on 0700 670 691.
You've seen nothing yet. This Big Brother Naija Season 10. It's 10 times the drama, 10 times the rivalry, and 10 times the game. This is certified. No zero, no minus.
Watch all Eviction Night live on Palmagic Prime, Channel 303 on Go TV, and Channel 148 on DSTV every Sunday at 9 p.m. for just 11,500 shillings on Go TV Plus, or 15,000 shillings on DSTV Access with Kawiki.
Gold sponsor, Guinness.
MultiChoice Uganda is regulated by UCC.
Mommy?
Yes?
Everyone crunching.
Nange kumulimu nga nkola. When I'm watching my kazanyo.
Anti kuhaiwe nga muganga. Sisumagire Joshua.
Nange bampakingire saa.
Honey, mwana muwe. Get your favorite pack
packet of Psalms from a shop or supermarket near you and crunch.
Get yourself a packet of Psalms and start crunching.
Psalms. Taste the difference.
Metropolitan International University, a multi-campus university with campuses in Kampala, Kisoro, and Mbarara. They offer various courses in disciplines like computing, education, humanities and social sciences, business administration and management sciences, tourism and journalism studies, information technology, agriculture, health sciences, and engineering courses. Full and partial bursaries of tuition are also available for those who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Come for your degree, diploma, or certificate studies. Empowerment through knowledge creation.
Shift like a candle. He's stealing and robbing and your network is destroying.
Vandalism is an offense punishable by up to 10 years in jail.
What's our topic today? The biggest back to school promotion season 3 is here. When you buy Focus products worth 16,000 to 24,000 Uganda shillings, you win a bucket of basin. And when you buy Focus products worth 45,000 and above, you win a school bag and lots of other prizes. Move it! All day confidence.
Kurukayo mukahumuro abashoba abana nibashaba abazire n'abaruku bakuza kugira ubunanzwa okubajemesa abana babukurwanisa indwara nyamwita ezokuteganisa abana aba abantu bishuke kiro cha muhinya ho munsi yona n'ekigenderwa cyo kurwanisa oburwire umbana.
Ekiro cyo kwijuka indwara ya muhinya ni kibaburu birabina byo kwikumi buri mwaka umunsi yona kandi kire cyaje kuzibwa mutwe kugira ngo one day one focus ending polio aho muri Mbara Rotary Club of Mbare kwatanise na Mbara City Health Center ya kana bahita bo mu kwijuka kireki bari kwishyura baziro mu gasho bwo kugemesa abana.
Kimwabigenderwa bya Rotary no kureba ngo polio yaho mu munsi kandi ku rw'umwaka gwa 85 twatanka kureki banyanya kamakumyana tugereze polio ntekateka nkwati mukugirwanisa twatwasya kabchweka cyenda na mwenda na n'uburu mwenda asigiro bchweka bukemuno ngakureba ngo polio yarjashwe mu munsi
ntukija ni nigiramu kwenda ngo tubase kugira abana abine limbs gukora amakudakora imikono gukora bakija bakaba chamana nonga iri yabo.
Christine Kasande ori kuro kugema abana hari Mbara City Health Center ya kana yasima abo bona bari kugemesa abana kandi yashaba bataka cejumbire mu okwimukiro muhureji
nawe cyo ntirebuka ngo mwana atakaje mu iwaro nabanza kuno kumbaza kwa polio drops tumhereza na BCG yo kuchinjira akakoko ka TB then na hepatitis B zero dose.
City Department ya Health twine mu team ya inspectorate team ejine tayira za kuongeza national water medical level samples azihayo ya kucheck jengo consistent kozesa system ya maize na nobubi ugendo lines and wala connected munakonza system
kugira United Nations Children's Fund abana bitana no mwaka kwata polio munsi yo no mwaka gw'2023 kuyarkumo Rwanda 98 abana barukwata muhinya bakacendera no bucweka 9 na mwenda arigana aho mu Uganda ukwezi kwa 11 Uganda kagema abana barukurenga miliyoni 8 n'ubutonyezo mushanju n'ekigendererwa cyo kurwanisa indwara ya muhinya kugira World Health Organization okugira Ministry y'amagara mu Uganda omwaka gw'2022 abana miliyoni 9,815 na bana abari hansi y'emyaka 5 bakagema indwara egi Diana Tatkunda
Mwebare Anita Atkunda mwebare abare vitu amakuru Agacencwire kutosaga kwa baisi yao tutyo wanaga kusiona Mbabazi Charity na Sande brand tuenda kukwendeza mwebazi y'omurungi na weekend enungi kutaga TV West live kurungi
Eshaha zabishatu z'ekiro na
You can now get all the Chibuzi out with MTN voice bundles. Call all networks Kubei Dondolo. Buy a 25-minute voice bundle for only 1,000. Or buy any daily voice bundle of your choice. Dial *100 *21# and select daily or use the My MTN app.
Bana Uganda mwenna mwebale kusima bachogela habo products olw'okufugaza endwadde z'ensusu zonna tonyereza bato n'abakulu era basimye empereza yaffe tuleese bipya ku katale
ABC Dent na Fresh Up nibikuhereza kawo karungi munonga yejumbira omubazi ogwa ABC Dent na Fresh Up dero oyongera okusheka omu bantu otira kwetina aha kasente kakye munonga
Okumbereba nekushiwaho France Uganda ekitongole ekirize okuteereza amashanyarazi g'izuba beyireyo okuhindura amagara gawe bari kwisaho amashanyarazi ga sola agari kwesigwa omuri buli kyetengo kyawe kyona bwine bokoka naba mu rufuti ayibambere korera ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshahara zanje tina events bakuretera umuhereza bw'ururembo rw'ensi yona ubwa decoration mega tent hamwe na tent z'ebika ebindi byona akasente kachiko
program okumbereba kombucha wajira yes embogo faza bashobora kajati kigambo embogo embogo ne pite kurbatira nekinga shongwa ichunchu wachachu kwa salamu mero mtajatu wa nchiru kwa embogo tek basi make sure egarke kununka na nyindu embogo ni making a strong tine kantu kwana kasagarombera kakuteganza nabo echo kachipansirinjuru kumwe mukasesho myango mwanza kuya embogo habo habo mixture ejo uguno mwana eriane ninyina nabo echo kanywe omaduka gona ago mu Uganda wajoti nyende embogo ndizina lyonka kandi akachupano kaka nyakachupa kari very unique kamara kamarungi karungi nabo echo sinjuru yes fresh Uganda n'amashanyarazi ngogonka gakubasa kumarena ebyo amashanyarazi ni gagendo ryonorewo mpira wawe bakazira akazana kwa hospital okombereba program amashanyarazi gagendo ro mukikuraje tite chabirane njinji standard lona fresh Uganda abakikuraje mwena ni bakunda ati mbaletira yes last to one of us Amanya Jordan tukakora nawe aha radio Westa yes akabane character he was no nonsense Yes, and a very principled person. I can't tell you, no, I don't almost. No, he was talking again. No, this is wrong. This is wrong. No way. Konka. I think I really for very organized call for Jordan. Kando wa kozere no. Tabaka chiko. Tabachi no wenka. Jordan akozoro for wataro. Akarwara yarwara wire buringwa konka yakororo for wataro. Yasigayaga mbere atakwenda umurufu. Yes. Yasigayaga mba entebe atakwenda. Ya speech itakwenda nyingi. Ab'inkuzarwa nabo bine speech yemu. Konkamba basa kwanga nabo bayanga mtu bakakwenda kwanga namwe banjire bona bagamba no babere benda kushisha mko. Konka asigara a government akana manga government yanaweza kumuzika akaja kunaenda speeches hivi. Manitegeza actually kawo kaja kawo gwaro no barba yagenze no wari mugambo chairman of C5 ayete a coach no president albaro a coach kaende Manitegeza honorable Amos Kankun abo kwa problem ile haya roba MP kamkaka roba minister roba chi tena konka akasiga yakora chandi koche kandi orare mati nobody complain ofuwa tankashai na mutanke kai ndio ko shaitan no shaitan na shange murbiona boss ya bers shaitan murbire byawe baga bashamnana wo ya dan abakora yoro futu wenza ko shaha 12 network ndari abantu madarufo batazichi konga alfu Jordan nobody 100% tuna tumuziki Jordan mukama koreze cyumuro cyunje uko kubireba iwe mabireba
okumbireba yabanye ku kibuga
France Uganda ekitongole ekirize okutereza amashanyarazi gizoba eyiyo okindira magara gawe bali kuyishaho amashanyarazi ga sola agari kwesigwa omuli buli kyetengo kyawe kyona
oyine mbokoka n'abamulungi ayibambe nekolera ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshahara zanje
Tina Events bakuretera umuhereza bw'ururengo rw'ensi yona ubwa decoration megatent amanete zirikibindi byona akasente kensheko
national currency of any denomination, you should respect it and know that all money has value.
Bank of Uganda issues coins in the denominations of Uganda shillings 1, 2, 5, 10, 50, 100, 200, 500 and 1000. They are all legal tender in Uganda and should be accepted for all transactions. Money is precious. Handle with respect. This message is brought to you by Bank of Uganda.
An incredible 61 years. This is Ndeje SS, and our latest winner comes from here. What confirms the descent transadio?
It confirms the Netuko Abasa, Nandagira Nandaga, the sentence that to say.
So Innocent is the only fully paid student at Ndeje.
Full time.
It is not Yachfere. This is true. And everyone knows that I'm a testimony of Momo Pay. So I encourage each one of you to urge your parents to use Momo Pay, to use everything.
All the nyamos, all
Yes.
the momos.
Yes, all the momos. There you go. Star 165 star 80 hash. So try it today, and just like Innocent, you will ask all the momos, all the nyamos, all the taste, everything. We are what? Unstoppable.
Bella grain, ba 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 do ba do ba. Bella grain, ba 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 do ba do ba. Bella grain, ba 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 do ba do ba. Bella grain, there is love in every grain. Bella grain, Bella grain. Do 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 do
yaba bijuina Bella Green nibatali kuyakusha nirukundo yonka ehwirwe rukosya ekorirwe kayawe etungwiremu kandi erimu ebirisa bya vitamin iron na folic acid teka rukundo teka na Bella Green engano ya Bella Green ekichirizwa UNBS.
Welcome, wati? Welcome! What's our topic today? Democracy! The biggest back-to-school promotion season 3 is here. Democracy!
When you buy Focus products worth 16,000 to 24,000 Uganda shillings, you win a bucket or basin. And when you buy Focus products worth 45,000 and above, you win a school bag and lots of other prizes. Move it! All day confidence.